a 2021 Toyota Sienna limited edition hybrid all-wheel drive. This color is a new addition. It's called the Sunset Bronze Mica. As you can see, this is a hybrid model. That's why the emblem has a blue accent on it. For the limited edition, you will have a front camera here for your bird's eye view as well as your sensor. Now this is for your block heater. Here we go. Now this comes with a LED daytime running light as well as your premium LED headlamps and LED fog lamps. Now for this limited edition, you will get a beautiful 18 inches alloy wheels. This is equipped with all-season tires. Now you will get another hybrid badge in there. Now this has a heated exterior side mirrors, reverse auto tilting, and auto dimming. And this is a power foldable as well. So here, I'll show you guys. I don't know if you can see it, but there you go. And you will get a paddle lamps in here as well with a Sienna logo on it. You will get a chrome handle. Now this new Sienna, it has a kick sensor for the sliding doors right there. So that's the instruction. You will see an icon there. You can do that and then it will open for you. And I'm going to show you for the rear door as well. You will have your nice taillight in there, your limited badge. And okay, so I have the remote in my hands here. And I'm going to show you guys how to use it on the rear door. So you just kick and it will open for you. It's very nice. So if you have a full grocery on your hands, you don't have to grab your keys or you don't have to have this on your hand to use it. So it's very easy and it's very sensitive as well. There you go. I'm gonna show you again the one on the side for the sliding door. It's very easy. I want to do it again. It's just so nice. Okay, let's walk around more. So that's your limited badge in there with hybrid. And you can see all your sensors, a Sienna, your all-wheel drive badge in there. It's very nice. So look at this color. This is different from the other version of the Sienna. Now let's take a look inside. Now here you will see your buttons for your power foldable mirrors and then your driver memory system. Now the buttons here is on the side. You will see your heated steering wheel, the buttons for bird's eye view. That is for your power tilt and telescopic steering wheel. This comes with a 7 inches multi-information display. Here you can change the settings using the buttons on your steering wheel. And it comes with 9 inches touchscreen display. So you have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto in there as well. Now for the middle console, there's a nice space inside. And right here you will get your two wireless headset for your rear entertainment. And then there's another 2 USB for charging your cell phone. And right here you will get cup holders. There's more cup holders in there. This button's for your EV mode. And you will see here your wireless charging, the USB for your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, more space for clutter. Now this rear mirror can be a digital rear view mirror as well, which is very nice. Now we're gonna go inside the Sienna. There's my model, Lardy, very comfortable in there. Yep. And then here, this is how you adjust your seat if you want it closer or farther. This comes with the rear entertainment system. Now this is for your rear climate control for the passenger. Now this comes with a heated seat for the rear or the second row, guys. Now I'm going to show you guys where you can plug in your laptop, PS5, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, or even laptop here. That's for your power. And the other one is for your HDMI. Here, there's a 3 ways how to connect all your system in here. The other one is HDMI, DLNA, and Miracas. I'm gonna show you guys for a separate video how to connect it in Miracas using the cell phone for the Android. It's a really long one, that's why we have to make another video for it. Okay, so hope you guys like this video. Say hi, Kuya Lardy. There you go, guys. Thank you guys for watching our video. My name is Desiree again. My number is 587-930-8030. And I want to thank my videographer, Kuya Lardy.
Okay, I'm Lardy Kalupitan of Filipino Drives. Number is 780-690-2045. Tawag lang po kayo sa amin. Salamat po.